All right, we're getting some big updates regarding Zubeen Garg's death case. Festival organizer Shyam Mahanta and the late singer, actor's manager Siddhartha Sharma have been arrested in Delhi and brought to Guwahati by the SIT constituted by the Assam government to probe the mysterious death of legendary singer Zubeen Garg. Incidentally, today the Assam government is organizing the public 13-day Shraddha ceremony in Jorhat, allowing people to pay their tributes. Event organizer Shyam Mahanta, named in connection with the death of singer-composer Zubeen Garg, had announced that he was returning to Assam and would cooperate fully with the authorities. In a Facebook post on the 29th of September, Mahanta said that he had informed police of his return and was ready to face the special investigation team. He said, and I quote, "I have nothing to hide. I will answer all questions," he wrote while calling for a high-level and thorough probe into Zubeen Garg's death. His statement came amid growing controversy after Garg's passing in Singapore on the 19th of September. Several FIRs in Assam had named Mahanta for alleged negligence. On the same day, the Assam government sought the Ministry of Home Affairs' help to invoke the Mutual Legal Assistance Treaty with Singapore, while lookout notices were issued against Mahanta and Siddhartha Sharma. Their bank accounts were also frozen, with both directed to appear before the CID in Guwahati by the 6th of October. This Facebook post was Mahanta's second public response since the allegations surfaced. Meanwhile, the special investigation team probing the death of legendary Assamese singer Zubeen Garg had detained musician Shekhar Jyoti Goswami a couple of days ago, since he was present during the controversial yacht trip linked to the incident. Goswami was reportedly grilled for almost 3 days as part of the ongoing investigation. Let me quickly go across to Digjyoti Lahkar. In fact, he joins me over the phone line, my colleague there, with more details on the same. Two arrests have been made so far in connection with the untimely death of Zubeen Garg. Digjyoti, take us through the latest.
Yes, Neha, this morning, Shyam Mahanta and manager of legendary singer Zubeen Garg, Siddhartha Sharma, brought to Guwahati airport at 6:37. The flight was been landed. Air India Express flight was. They have been came from Delhi, and after that, the due produced before Chief Judicial Magistrate at official residence at Gitanagar in Guwahati city in a tight security, where we have talked to ADGP Munna Prasad Gupta, who is the SIT head of the probe that is constituted by Government of Assam, particularly by Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, to find out the cause and other circumstances of legendary singer Zubeen Garg. While talking to the media, he said that they got this Government of Assam wrote to Government of India to evoke mutual treaty with Singapore, legal assistance treaty, mutual legal assistance treaty should be evoked. And the Government of India yesterday on 30th September at around 12:45 wrote to Singapore government, and where the Singapore government also appreciate it, and they have cooperated with Government of India, and they have been forced Shyam Mahanta to leave the country immediately. And Shyam Mahanta boarded a flight of Air India, and he landed at around 12:35 at the Indira Gandhi International Airport. And during the immigration checkout, he has been detained by Delhi police, as lookout notice has already been served. And similarly, Siddhartha Sharma, who was since the arrival of the body of Zubeen Garg on 21st, he has been hiding in Delhi and Rajasthan, and he is frequently changing his hotel